So in this question we're asked to find the equation of the line tangent to the parabola y equals x squared plus 10x minus 14 at x equals minus 1. And in order to do that, what we need to do, first of all, I'm going to find the y coordinate because I'm not given that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute minus 1 into this equation to find y. So I get minus 1 all squared plus 10 times minus 1 minus 14. So that'll give me 1 minus 10 minus 14. So y is equal to, so it'll be minus 24 plus 1, that's minus 23. So my coordinates are minus 1, minus 23. Now that's my A, B, okay? Now I need the gradient. Now the gradient would be given by m would equal to dy by dx at x equals minus 1, okay? So I need to differentiate this function. So I'm going to differentiate that. Just write that out first. So dy by dx would be 2x plus 10. So when x is equal to minus 1, m given by, like we said, dy by dx, which is 2 times minus 1 plus 10. So that'll be minus 2 plus 10, which is equal to 8. So my gradient is 8. So now to find the equation of the tangent, you would just use y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. So my a, b, so I'm just going to substitute everything in here. And that is 8, and that's AB. So that's y, that'll be plus, because that minus will make that positive. Got 8x, that'll become a plus 1. So that's 8x plus 8. That'll be y, so we take that to the other side. So that'll give me, so 8 subtract 23, that'll give me negative 15. So that would be the equation of the tangent to the parabola at x equals minus 1.